Let's solve for the value of y minus x raised to the power of 2 from the simultaneous equation. So what do? Simplify the simultaneous equation and get the values of x and y and substitute here. Then to simplify here, the coefficients are not equal. So let me make x to become equal so that I can eliminate. So I'll multiply here by 3 every term here. Multiply the second one by 2 is 2. All right. So 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 3y is minus 9y. 3 times minus 11 is minus 33. Then 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 2y is 4y equals 2 times 3 is 6. Then let us eliminate. We are subtracting. 6x minus 6x is 0. Minus 9 minus positive 4 should give us minus 13y. Then minus 33 minus 6 should give us minus 39. So to get the value of y, divide by its coefficient. All right, that is 13, negative 13, which cancels itself here. So our y should be 13 divided 39 should give us 3. So we have positive 3 because negative will take away negative. Having gotten y as 3, take it back to equation 1 or 2 and get the value of x. So let's take equation 1, 2x minus 3. Instead of writing y, I'll write the value of y. Okay, equal to minus 11. So what do we do next? I have 2x minus 9 equals minus 11. Take 9 to the other side of the equation. I have 2x equals minus 11 plus 9. Minus 11 plus 9 should give us negative 2. So 2x is equal to negative 2. Divide by coefficient of x. This takes care of this. So our x should be what? Negative 1. So to solve for this value now, we'll simply say y minus x is, look at this, 3 minus, use a negative 1, minus 1. And we are asked to square it. So here will give us 4. Minus minus is positive. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have 4 squared, which is equal to what? 16. All right, and that is the solution. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to share this with your friends and follow for more interesting tutorials. Bye.